Hello children, how are you? Now again we are here. In our last module we have seen dot product and cross product of vectors. Today we are going to see some numerical problems related to the dot product of two vectors. So are you ready? Yes sir, so we are going to see some questions related to dot product of two vectors, in which first question we are going to solve. Write down the question first. For what value of m, for what value of m, the vector, for what value of m, the vector a is equal to 2i minus 3j plus 6k, 2i plus 3j minus 6k, is perpendicular to b is equal to 3i minus mj, 3i minus mj plus 6k. So this is our question here. For what value of m these two vectors are perpendicular? My dear children, how to solve it? Once we have seen in the article of dot product of two vectors, what is the condition for perpendicular here? That is, condition is a dot b is equal to ab cos theta. This is the dot product of two vectors. That must be equal to 0. Perpendicular means theta is equal to 90 degree. Cos 90, the angle in between a and b is 0. If it happens, then we can say these two vectors are perpendicular to each other. To find out the dot product of two vectors, for that I have to write 2i plus 3j minus 6k and 3i minus mj and plus 6k. Before we are going to solve it, we have to remember the formula related to this. I dot I, j dot j or k dot k. What is that? I dot I, j dot j and k dot k. Who will tell me? I dot I, that is 1. J dot j, that is 1. Similarly, the perpendicular vector ij or jk or ki or reverse, that is equal to 0. So just to multiply it, 2 and you multiply 2i and 3i. 2 into 3 6. I dot I, that is only 2 into 3. When you multiply this vector to this vector, that is 0. I dot j. Similarly, when 2i multiplied by 6k, this is again 0. Is it clear? Then 3j dot I, again it is 0. But 3 into m into j dot j, so I can write here minus 3 into m. So I can write here plus 3 into minus m. Others are 0. J dot k is also 0. This k dot I, it is 0. K dot j, it is again 0. K dot k, minus 6 into 6. Minus 6 into 6 is equal to 0. This is the condition here. So see that, what is this? 6 minus 3m minus 36 is equal to 0. 6 minus 3m minus 36 is equal to 0. So you can write here 3m is equal to 3m is equal to minus 30. So you will get m is equal to minus 10. This is the answer here. Is it clear? It is very easy. But you have to know the formula I dot I, J dot J and K dot K is equal to 1. I dot J, J dot K and K dot I, that is equal to 0. Is it clear? Yes sir, it's very easy. Now see another question. Here we are going to see and another question. If question number 2, write down question number 2. If A is equal to 4I plus 6J minus 3K and B is equal to minus 2I minus 5J and plus 7K. These are the two vectors. Here it is 7, here it is 5. Find the angle in between A and B. Find the angle in between A and B. We know the formula A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. We have to find out cos theta. So what we have to do? Think of it. So what we have to do to solve this question? My dear children, A is equal to this one. How to solve it? To find out the magnitude of this, we know how to find out the magnitude of this. A is equal to under root of this 4 square plus 6 square plus minus 3 square. We know very well in triangular law. We have seen over there the magnitude of A in a 3 dimension. Ax square plus ay square plus az square. This is ax, ay and az. Our formula is A is equal to under root of ax square, ay square and az square. Here, what is this? Here is 16 plus 36 plus 9. Sum up it. 16 plus 36 plus 9. 9 और 6 15 और 6 21, 2 और 3 5 और 1 6, 61. This is under root 61. Similarly, in the case of B, again find out the magnitude of here is minus 2 square plus minus 5 square plus 7 square. It is. Solve it. Here you can write minus 2 square, that is 4, minus 5 square 25 and that is 49. 9 and 5 14 and 4 18. 1 5 and 2 7. So this is 78. So this is the magnitude of A and B. What is A dot B? A dot B of these two vectors, A is equal to 4I plus 6J minus 3K. Similarly here minus 2I minus 5J and plus 7K. Here we know the formula I dot I, J dot J, K dot K is 1. Other multiplication is 0. 4 into minus 2, minus 8. 4 into minus 5, 0. This to this, again 0. Here, 6J into 2I, 0. 6J into minus 5J, 6 5J 30. Minus 30. -3 -2 0, -3 -5 0, -3 and 7, that is 21. So you can see here 8, 30 and 21. -59. This is A dot B. Is it any problem? No, sir. We know the formula. Again repeat: I dot I, J dot J and K dot K 1. Now, let theta be the angle in between A and B. Let theta is the angle in between A and B. So I know that A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. So I can write here cos theta is equal to A dot B divided by AB. A that we have seen, A dot B, that is -59. Here it is the magnitude of A and B, that is of under root of 61 and under root of 58. Solve it. Solve it. When you solve it, then you will get minus 0.855, square root of these two, and then divide it. So you are getting here minus 0.855. It is clear? So you can write, or is this, or you can write theta is equal to cos of inverse minus 0.855. This is also right. You can use the cos table and you can find out. Because here is a minus sign, so you can subtract it from 180. 180, before you see the table, minus 0.855. That is equal to around, once you go through the cos table and see that, then minus cos of 31 degree, near about 31 degree and 14 minutes. This is the value comes in the cos table. Then you also write this. Okay? Write down. Now, we take another question. If three vectors A, question number 3, if three vectors A, B and C have a magnitude of 5, 12 and 13. We are having a three vectors A, B and C, and suppose their magnitudes are this units. And also it is given A plus B is equal to C. Find the angle in between B and C. This is our question. How to solve? A plus B is equal to C. So I can write here, children, A is equal to C minus B. Also I can write. Solution कर रहे हैं हम ऊपर. I can write A is equal to C minus B here. Okay. Now find out A dot A dot product. That is C minus B dot product of C minus B. What are C minus B? C dot C minus CB and minus BC. We know that in a dot product A dot B is equal to B dot A. It is commutative. A dot B is equal to B dot A. So I can write here, this is CB and this is BC. So I can write twice of C dot B and minus B dot B. It is clear? Yes, sir. So what is this, the magnitude of these vector? If I want to write, this is A square is equal to, this is C square, magnitude of this, minus 2 C dot B, that is CB cos theta, and minus B square. This is our magnitude. So what is this? I can write here minus plus, sorry here. So you can write here A square को उधर लिए, इसको इधर ले लिए, twice of CB cos theta is equal to C square plus B square minus A square. So cos theta comes out to be C square plus B square minus A square divided by twice of CB. This is our formula. Our problem is to find out theta. So C square plus B square minus A square upon 2CB. These all are given. Their magnitude are given. So take this given value here and put it over here. Cos theta is equal to C square, that is 13 square, that is 12 square, that is 5 square, divided by twice of C. C is 13 and this is 12. This is 169. This is 144 minus 25. You multiplied it, it is 26 into 12. What is this? Solve it, you are getting here 288 and multiply it. 26 into 12. That will around 312. Then cut it. That will comes out to be 12 by 13 here. Then you can write here only the angle. It is a very simple question. Theta comes out to be, here it is cos theta. Cos of inverse 12 by 13. Is it clear? Yes, sir. It is very easy. So this is the way to solve the numerical problems in the dot product of two vectors. Write down. Now, see one more problem of dot product. Question number 4. Suppose A plus B is equal to, A plus B is given, that is 3i plus 6j plus 2k. 3i plus 6j plus 2k. This is given. Sum of the two vectors. And subtraction of the two vectors, it is also given A minus B, that is 6i plus 3j and minus k here. Find the magnitude of A and B. Find the magnitude of A and B and their scalar product A dot B. ये हमको निकालना है. बहुत इजी है ये. Who will do? We have seen 3 numericals. This is 4th one. First, our problem is to find out A and B. Suppose once you are adding and solving A and B, दोनों को ऐड करिए पहले. तो b से b कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Here a plus a 2a, 6i plus 3i that is 9i, 6 plus 3 9j and plus k. So a comes out to be 9i plus 9j plus k divided by 2 here. This is the value of a. Similarly, you subtract it. Both. This is cancelled. This is 2b. When you subtract minus 3i plus 3j and here plus 3k like this. When you subtract it, a plus b minus of a minus b. So minus 3i plus 3j minus k. Sorry. That is minus 3i plus 3j plus 3k, right? Then b comes out to be minus 3i plus 3j and plus 3k by 2. This is the value of a and b. On solving we get. Now first find out magnitude of a. First find out the magnitude of a. That formula again. 1 by 2 may be taken out. Under root of ax square plus ay square plus az square. So you can write here 9 by 2. Under root of 81 by 4. 9 by 2 ka square. Similarly here 9 by 2 ka square. 81 by 4. Ax square plus ay square plus 1 by 2. That is 1 by 4. Solve it. 4 may be taken LCM and solve it. You will get 163 by 4 here. Okay. Then take a root. 4 ka root 2. 163. You can easily find out the root of 163, that is near about 12.77 divided by 2. That is equal to 6.3 and then 9 here. This is the value of a. Then in a similar manner we find the magnitude of b. Here it is the value of b. B comes out to be, that is again ax square minus 3 by 2 ka square, that is 9 by 4. Similarly 3 by 2 ka square 9 by 4 plus 3 by 2 ka square 9 by 4. Okay, so you can take 3 by 2 may be common root of this and under root 3. Under root 3, the value of under root 3 is 1.732. Remember it. Value of root 2 1.414. Root 3 1.732. So you can write directly and solve it. You will get it around 2.6. Now a निकाल लिया, b निकाल लिया, then a dot b. A is 1 by 2, 9i plus 9j, 9i plus 9j plus k. This is a dot b. 1 by 2 minus 3i plus 3j and plus 3k. Here, that is 1 by 4. This is the dot product. Again use the same formula. I dot I, j dot j and k dot k is 1. Yes sir. I dot j, j dot k and k dot I, that is 0. So you can write 9 into minus 3, 27. Other is 0. When you multiply this, 0. You multiply this, that is 27. And other is 0. Then you multiplied it 0. You multiplied it 0. You multiplied it by 3. Yes, this is 3. that is equal to only 3 by 4. A, B and A dot B, all we have found out. Is that clear? It is a very simple questions. You can do easily. Write down. Now, we take one more last question of dot product. Then we will see the cross product of the two vectors in our next module. See the question number 5. That is, two vectors A and B are inclined at an angle theta. Then prove that A minus B, the magnitude of the two vectors A minus B, here are the two unit vectors there. A cap and B cap are the two unit vectors. The two unit vectors inclined at an angle theta, then prove that A minus B is equal to twice of sine theta by 2. It's a very tricky question. Such type of questions are called tricky questions. Use your brain and solve immediately. See here. We know that A minus B ka whole square. We know very well. Solve it. That is A minus B into A minus B. Like this. Here all are unit vectors. So A minus B ka whole square, that is A dot A. A dot A. Here. Plus A dot A, then B dot B. Plus B cap, B cap. Then A dot B or B dot A, both are commutative. I can write twice of A cap, B cap. Okay, this you can solve easily. This is the unit vectors. So, similarly I dot I, here A dot A, the value is 1. Here the value is 1, minus 2. A cap, B cap, that is AB cos theta. Here A is 1, B is 1, A dot B की जगह मैं लिख रहा हूँ AB cos theta, and that is cos theta. Here, the dot product of two vectors. So what is that? 2 minus 2 cos of theta. That is 2 may be taken common, that is 2 into 1 minus cos theta. One formula you know very well. Cos of 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Here. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So here I can write with the help of this formula. Cos theta I can write. That is 2 into 1 minus, put here cos theta. Cos theta you can write 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Here, like this. Because here is 2 theta, then theta. I have here theta. So here is theta by 2. So what is this? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So what is that? 1 minus 1. Cancel the only 4 sin square theta by 2. This is A minus B ka whole square. This is A minus B ka whole square. So I can write here A cap minus B cap root and then magnitude twice of sin theta by 2. This is the 4 ka root 2 sin square ka root sin theta by 2. Is that clear? So this is proved. Very good, sir. Is that clear? Okay.